Welcome to greytHR. Now we'll show you how to collect documents from employees in greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. On the greytHR Recruit portal, go to Settings, Forms, General, then click plus New Form and select form type as General. Enter a template name and description to define the form. Under Approval Actions, you can add options like Approve and Reject for reviewers, and then click Add to save the settings. This creates the form template. Next, you can add sections to this newly created form template. Simply click plus Add section, give it a title, for example, Previous Employment Details. Add a description if needed, and click Add. Once the section is created, you can start adding questions related to it. For example, if you need candidates to submit an experience certificate, click Add Question. Enter Upload your experience certificate from your last employer and select File Upload as the answer type from the drop-down. Enable the necessary checkboxes if required, then click Add. Similarly, if you need additional supporting documents like a relieving letter or last 3 months payslips, you can create separate questions under the same section. Once the form is fully configured, it's ready to be sent to candidates. Now go to the Candidates tab and select a candidate. Click the Jobs tab and open the job card. Navigate to the Forms tab and click Share Forms. Under Select from List, click plus Add New and choose the required form template. Click Preview to review the form before sending it. Next, set a valid till date if you want to define a deadline for submission. If required, add reviewers to the form. Fill in the from, CC, and subject fields, and enter a message for the candidate. Click Send Message. The candidate will receive an email with a link to upload the required documents. Once the candidate submits the documents, go to the Forms tab in their profile. Click View Answers to check the uploaded files. And that's it. You've successfully sent a form and collected candidate documents in greytHR Recruit. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to add hired employees in the database. Stay tuned.